habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Most of us are just getting exposed to this new skill of virtual presentations. We may have used MS Teams before in meetings in previous years, but not 5 days a week and not 8 hours a day. Just like any new skill, we will master our virtual presentation delivery through practice, practice, and practice. And I really recommend that you do demo presentations with your manager or colleague serving as the client, the account, or the partner. And in your practice sessions, please use the preferred communication medium or video platform of your target account or client. Record the session. Yes, in MS Teams, you can do that. I believe in Zoom as well. And review the video recording after. Get feedback as well from your manager or colleague who played the role of the account or the client. And the feedback should now focus on 6 areas from professional appearance all the way to your scripts, handling of objections, negotiations, and your closing pitch. Definitely open and honest feedback from the person who played the role of the accountant partner is critical because we may have blind spots. We may not realize that we would need to fix our facial expressions or do something new about our gestures and posture to be able to project a more confident and competent impression over the video call. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.